Hey everyone, welcome to Money in a Minute. I'm Nathan Brooks, and I'm here to break down personal finance into quick, digestible insights. Today, we're diving into understanding taxes and deductions. Let's get started. Taxes might not be the most exciting topic, but understanding them is crucial for anyone looking to get a grip on their personal finances. Did you know that the average person could be missing out on hundreds of dollars each year simply by overlooking potential deductions? It's true, and today, we'll uncover what you need to know to keep more of your hard-earned money. Alright, let's jump in. Taxes can feel overwhelming, but they don't have to be a mystery. At its core, taxes are simply the money we pay to the government, which is then used to fund public services like schools, roads, and healthcare. For most of us, this primarily means income tax, money taken from our paychecks throughout the year. Now, when it comes to deductions, think of them as your financial best friend. Deductions are expenses the IRS allows you to subtract from your total income, which can lower the amount of tax you need to pay. Imagine you've just started a side hustle selling vintage clothes online. If you keep track of your expenses, say, the cost of inventory or shipping, you can potentially deduct these from your taxable income. This means you could pay less tax and keep more profit in your pocket. Let's talk about some common deductions you might be eligible for. For students, the student loan interest deduction is a big one. If you're paying off student loans, you can deduct up to $2,500 of interest paid every year. Another key deduction is the standard deduction, which is a fixed amount that anyone can take to reduce their taxable income. For 2023, it's $13,850 for single filers, which automatically lowers your taxable income even if you don't itemize deductions. If you're working remotely, the home office deduction might be relevant. This deduction applies if you have a dedicated space in your home used exclusively for work. And if you're donating to charity, whether it's money, clothes, or even volunteer mileage, those can also be deductible. To make the most of deductions, keep good records. Use apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses throughout the year. This makes tax time a breeze because you'll have all your information ready to go. Plus, it ensures you won't miss out on any potential savings. Lastly, let's dispel a myth. You don't need to be a tax expert to understand your taxes. There are plenty of resources available, from online calculators to free workshops, that can help you learn how to file and maximize your deductions. And if you ever feel stuck, consulting a tax professional can be a wise investment. They often save you more money than they cost. To wrap up, understanding taxes and deductions is all about keeping more of what you earn. By knowing what you can deduct, tracking your expenses, and leaning on available resources, you're setting yourself up for financial success. Remember, it's your money. Make sure you're making the most of it. Thanks for tuning in to Money in a Minute. I hope today's episode gave you clear steps toward financial success and sparked your interest in taking control of your money. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to follow and share. Until next time, stay smart and keep hustling.